We are over here touring the DR Horton homes today, and this one is the Manning, and it's two-story.
Hey Nancy, what are you doing?
Well, we are over here touring the DR Horton homes today, and this one is the Manning, and it's two-story. It is so spacious. It's very pretty. It's about 2,203 square foot, and it is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. And I'm excited to show this to you today.
Okay, let's go.
Come on in. All right. First thing right here to the right is a half bath.
Nice little powder room.
These are the stairs to get to the second floor, but we will look at those later. So let's go on in here. I want to show you the main living space of the home. This is very open, very spacious. What do you think of this, Mr. Walsh?
It's pretty nice. Same kind of kitchen as the Cali, yeah.
Same layout. They either
Very nice.
They do white cabinets or gray cabinets.
Okay, room for a refrigerator. Nice big refrigerator.
I love the huge countertops. This probably could fit at least, 5 grandbabies.
We need one more.
I know. Well, he'll sit at the table with us. All right. So this is the family room. It's very spacious, lots of room. I will say that in the family room and the primary bedroom, they are pre-wired for ceiling fans, so you can always add a ceiling fan later on if you wanted to.
Okay.
All right.
And this is all with natural light that we're seeing. We don't even have the lights on.
Right. All right, step into the primary bedroom.
Again, very big.
It's very spacious.
That's a king-size bed as well.
All the space you need. Definitely. Oh, and if I didn't introduce, but this is little Maggie. All right, the primary bathroom. Come on in, we have double sinks, a walk-in shower, a huge closet.
Oh yeah, lots of room.
And there's also a linen closet as well.
Okay. Water closet is also. Very nice open space you can see here. There's not much, there's no screened-in porch on this model. It would be an option, but we just have the patio. Where did Nancy go?
Hey, we're over here in the laundry room. Come check this out.
Oh. Okay. What do we got in this one? I didn't notice.
Oh, that's the pantry.
Okay, good pantry. Garage access.
I was just looking at these little knobs and hooks. That's a really good idea. Kids can come in and hang their book bags, jackets, keep them up out of the way.
Sounds good. All right.
And then I gotta show you this. Look at that huge closet.
Wow. Kids will make something out of that. Okay, now where did she go now?
Hey, we're gonna go check out upstairs. Come take a peek.
Ooh.
Come on up and sit a while.
Yeah.
Look at this. Great game room, loft area. This is a great space for the kids, for company. Or just an extra space to get away from your wife. All right, bedroom number 1 upstairs. And like I said before, this is a 4-bedroom home. So, and this is probably, I would say that's at least a full-size bed. It could be a queen.
Yeah, lots of room on the sides.
very spacious. Great walk-in closet.
You don't see walk-in closets like that on the other bedrooms.
I love the way this secondary bathroom is laid out. You have the double sinks, and then you also have another door for the shower and the toilet. So if you have somebody in there, the kids, right up here, getting ready for school in the morning.
Okay. Good planning.
Bedroom number 2. All these rooms are great size. A nice little step-in closet. Extra long too, so you can hide your winter coats that you won't be needing. Alright. Linen closet. Can't have enough linen closets. And look at this.
Oh wow, extra storage.
It's like a whole space. You have a light. That could be a little reading room, a little hideaway, a mom closet, a little wine cooler. All right. And last bedroom upstairs. And again, it is very, very spacious. Another closet, step-in closet, just like the one on the other side.
Okay.
What do you think of this house?
This is nice, and I see we have a little grandbaby access door.
Oh, well, that's going to be where the HVAC is. For your HVAC guy.
I was kidding. You know they're going to find it, though.
All right, well, this wraps up our tour of the Manning. This home, again, is built by DR Horton. And if you are interested in any of these new construction homes with DR Horton, they are building all over the Charleston Tri County area. So they're in Berkeley County, Dorchester County, Charleston County. So if you are interested and you would like me to help you out, give me a call, send me a text. My phone number is 843-718-4285. You can also look at my website. It is findyourcharlestonareahome.com. And again, I'm Nancy Walsh, and my husband Kevin is the cameraman today. And thank you so much for joining and watching our video. And stay tuned because we have one more model home to tour, and we will see you soon.
What about like and subscribe?
Oh, yes. I always forget that. And don't forget to follow my channel, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future notifications. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.